Well, what I've noticed with PayPal lately, anyway, they just change their user agreement, where if you open up a business account, they can check your business and personal credit, and if they don't like what they see, they can shut you down. Especially if you're a new account. This is just from my own experience from my customers. If you do as little as $10,000 in volume in a short period of time, for protection of the consumer, just like Mike said, they'll have their fraud investigation department start looking into stuff going, hey, is this person doing some kind of fraud, or is it just stealing people's credit cards, doing dumpster diving or whatever? And so your account may be red flagged. And if your account
will be red flagged.
Yeah.
If it's called unusual activity.
Yeah.
And if you're doing $30 a day or averaging $250 a week, and you have a spike where you do 10,000, 40,000, or 50,000, which can be done very easily once you do what we're doing, talking about leverage, your account will be shut down. You're getting orders from all over the world, and it's unusual activity for your account. How do you prevent that? You call PayPal, and you tell them what you're going to do, and they will mark your account, and they won't shut you down. And they will thank you for calling them. And one of the people that spoke at this event had a PayPal account for 7 years, and he was launching a site, big launch, pre-launch, one-time offer, everything like that. I said, make sure you call PayPal. He says, I do $10,000, $15,000 a month with PayPal, and I've had my account for 6.5 years. I said, you're going to do $30,000, $40,000 in 10 hours. They will shut you down. He says, no, they won't. And you know what they did? They shut him down. Now, I did...
Shut down or hold?
On hold, not shut down. I apologize. They suspended his account while they would review it, and it took them 48 hours to get it back up. And that upsets your JV partners as well. Now, I did $671,000 in PayPal in 24 hours, and I didn't have any problems with them simply because I contacted them and said, this is what I intend to do within 24 hours. And they said, how? And I told them, I have 10,000 people on a buyer's list for only $1,500 products, and they're all going to try to get the product before it sells out. And they said, can I see the sales page? I said, sure, here it is. And they said, okay, we'll note your account. And they said to me, if everybody did what you did, we'd have a lot less problems. Because what they're doing, and let me explain one thing to you.